Hey, it's Ian, and today I have these LED vine lights. Now this is an elegant decoration to give a little bit of life and sparkle to your cozy spaces. Now what you're gonna love about this is you can place these just about anywhere, both indoor and out. Plus, thanks to the realistic and durable vines, this is gonna look great both day and night. Now the 50 LEDs are going to add that touch of warmth to your living space, whether you arrange this on your bookshelf, in your reading nook, or on your tabletop centerpiece. Now my favorite part about this is I can control the different lighting modes and effects using the infrared remote or directly from the battery pack. With the 8 different settings, I can control whatever mood I desire. Plus, I can control the brightness as well. Now there are 2 different ways in which you can power this. You have the option of using 3 AA batteries or plugging it in directly to power using USB. Now another great feature about this is that the battery pack and LEDs are waterproof, so you can have that relaxing night out on the patio. Now these are 16.5 feet long, which is ample length, but we recommend getting a couple of these to add even more beauty to your space. And lucky for you, when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to the site and grab a couple of these today.